Did Honor hire Apple design team? Just take a look at the Honor Power 2, the Honor 500, and now this, the newly launched Honor 600 Lite. And trust me, there's nothing light about what this phone is offering. First, let's talk about the design. It features a premium unibody metal frame with a symmetrical, ultra-narrow bezel display that looks and feels flagship. Up front, you are getting a 6.6-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and an impressive peak brightness of 6500 nits. Smooth, vibrant, and super bright even outdoor. Not forgetting an optical in-display fingerprint scanner. One standout feature is the Capacitive AI Button. It works as both a zoom slider and a shutter buttons inside the camera app. But that's not all. You can also customize it to launch Honor AI, AI Settings Agent, Google Lens, AI Memories, and more. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The Honor 600 Lite comes with a dual rear camera setup, headlined by a massive 108-megapixel primary cameras with an f1.75 aperture. It delivers detailed shots and support up to 3 times lossless zoom. It's paired with a 5-megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide camera. While the ultra-wide is decent in good lightings, it does struggle a bit in low light conditions. Honor is known for its aggressive photo sharpenings and enhancement, and that continues here. The photos come out vibrant, sharp, and social media ready without any editing needed. The wide aperture also helps create a natural depth of field for close-up shots. For videos, the Honor 600 Lite support up to Full HD at 30 FPS only. Powering the device is the Mediatek Dimensity 7100 Elite, a 6nm 5G chipset. It paired with 12GB plus 12GB Honor RAM turbos and a generous 256GB of internal storage. It's technically a lower mid-range chip, but for daily use, it runs smoothly. Social media, multitasking, streamings, no problems. It can even run heavy games like Genshin Impact and Asphalt 9, although you want to stick to lower graphics settings for the best experience. On the software side, it runs the new MagicOS 10 based on Android 16. You get full suite of Honor AI features including AI Edit, Magic Sidebar, AI Memories, Magic Portals, and many more. Keeping everything powered is a large 6520 mAh battery, and while it's not a silicon carbon battery, it still offers excellent endurance. It supports 45W Honor Supercharge, and yes, power adapters and cables are included in the box. So no, the Honor 600 Lite isn't a shameless copy. Instead, think of it as a budget-friendly alternative for anyone who appreciates premium iPhone-like design without paying flagship prices. The Honor 600 Lite is priced at just Rm1399 and comes in 2 colors, velvet grey and desert gold. And if you pre-order now, you enjoy an Rm100 instant rebate plus a 1+1 year extended warranty. Not bad for something that's supposedly light, right? That's all from me on the new Honor 600 Lite. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you at the next one.